Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can update your existing channels. When you want to update or modify something on one of your channels, you just go to My Channels tab, click the little pencil icon, and you're in the Channel Settings tab. Let's say you want to change the channel name from Best Travel Destinations Today into Best Travel Destinations Around the World. It's just this easy. Save it, that's it. If you want to change the developer into Developer Limited UK, for example, you can do that. Then click Save. If you want to change something on a video, just click on the Video tab. If you need to add a new video, click on the plus button and add a new video. If you want to delete content from your Video tab, just click on the Delete Video button, confirm that you want to delete it, and that's it. Hit save, and this is how you can change something or edit something on your channel. One thing though, please make sure that after you've changed or modified anything on your channel and hit save, please go to Watch Your Channel page. For example, where you can see if all the videos are there or if the thumbnail image is changed or anything. Also, you can directly access the Roku feed, for example. It'll be a little bit technical and it seems like code, but for example, if you had 10 videos on your channel and you added another 5 videos to your channel, you should see in this file if all the videos were added, and if Roku will see your channel changes or your new content. Roku uses this file to ingest your content. Just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see if this is the last video that you added or this is the thumbnail. It might be a little bit technical, but when you have a lot of videos, it's good to scroll down to the bottom and see if you have all the videos. Because Amazon is a little bit sensitive about special characters, it's recommended to click the Amazon link too to see if you get any errors. If the field looks something like this and you don't have anything in red and anything that mentions an error on it, your feed should be good to go and updated for Amazon too. That's all. It's extremely easy using TV Boss Fire to add content to your channel, to modify it, and it's extremely easy to check out and see if any errors might occur. That's all for now. See you in the next video.